Okay, so on EU, RUSD, we have been bearish for a while, and I expect the bearish trend to continue. So I just marked out my zones from this high to this low. So we sell in premium and we buy in discount. And the premium zone is the red zone. I can take that off now. Above the red zone, or just before the red zone, we have a 4-hour fair value gap. The 4-hour fair value gap coincides with the daily fair value gap. And we have equal highs as well. So price swept the equal highs and broke structure to the downside during the London session. And I entered immediately on that trade. Okay, right here when I saw that sweep, I anticipated this breakdown, so I entered here, waiting for price to get down. Now this is the New York session. You can see that price went up and broke below this low, so I entered the second trade, and this one I started recording. So currently we are in this trade, and we're going to see how price goes. This first one is a 4-hour trade, and this is a 2-hour trade. Okay, so we took losses on Tuesday in this same trade. This kind of, you see, similar pattern. The only difference is that I didn't wait for price to get to premium, and for this trade I did. So that's the importance of waiting for price to get to a premium zone before attempting to buy. Okay, so that's what we have here, and I'll keep you guys updated. We are still trading, okay? So I believe price is gonna drop lower. However, on this first trade, I've eliminated my risks, so I'm now risk free on this first trade, and I already have risk on this second trade, so I'm still risking only one arrow. All right, so that's the update. We're waiting. Hello, this is the update on euro dollar. The It's been really beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to take off these indicators. The indicator simply shows the new day and the session. Since I'm already in a trade, there's no need for me to be looking at those anymore. So if you can remember, I entered at this zone when I saw this sweep of this high. I entered immediately. My price trickled down, returned back into premium. I came to the chart late, but when I came, I saw this break of structure. I entered once again around this region. So this first position, you can see, has hit TP. Oh, sorry, this second position has hit TP for 2 arrow, and now we are in this one that's for 4 arrow. So this fourth position, just few pips to TP, and then we'll be done for the week. Yesterday, GU hit its own target. Okay, so GU hit TP yesterday. You know, in 5 hours, 15 minutes, and you can see that it has been dropping since then. It has even dropped down over 5 arrow. Crazy, right? That is 142 pips. Mad. But we've gotten our 2 arrow and we've moved on. Okay, we never know what the market is going to do, so this is beautiful, right? Seeing this kind of opportunities is crazy. And I remember the time when I struggled to see things like this, but now I see it clearly. Okay. Okay, so like I said before, uh, this engineer liquidity, you can see that price has run up, taking out these equal highs right here. So those people that were trading their stop loss or that moved their stops to break even on this short can get tagged out of this trade. And immediately they are tagged out of this trade, price goes to rip down to the downside. So this trade has hit take profit. I'm going to take it off right now. And the second trade I can see is after this swing high has been swept. These two highs, right? These equal highs. So in this case now it's buy side liquidity. Just the exact same model that we used to enter this trade above. On GU, you can see on that trade, just the same thing. We are following the trend, right? Sorry about this. And we are seeing bearish price action. On EU, price has gone above, swept out the liquidity resting above these equal highs, and then we are trickling down. So that's what it's looking like right now on my chart. So after sweeping these highs, okay, you see on the 45 minutes it's a week. These equal lows are the next juicy target. This trade, I've already been tagged out of it for break even because my stop loss was above these equal highs, right? It's a risky place to keep your stop loss, but I also don't want price to retrace all the way and take me out. Anything can happen in this industry. So I'm already out of this trade. The second position that I marked out here hit 2 arrow around this place, but this one tagged me out at 1.43 arrow. So that's about 3 arrow on EU. But GU still looks promising because the price action. It could go wrong. This is Thursday. It did to NFP, but so far so good. I like what I see. So now saving this. Let's see how this goes. The last trade for the week. And boom, take profit hits on GBPUSD plus 2 hour. This week was a beautiful week, and I'm done from trading the markets. EU is still playing out as I said. You understand? Price can still get to this low that I marked out, but I'm no longer in this trade. And we have swept out these equal highs, taking out the stop losses of people that kept it above here. We have also tricked breakout traders into thinking that they are going long, and then the markets have stabbed them in the back. So we are tricking, I said tricking, we are trickling downwards this level. But I'm done. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, NFP. I'm not going to be partaking in that, and that's the end of this video. So please leave a like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment as well for the values that you're getting, and see you guys in the next video.